See, the last class we discussed about what is meaning of input. ಜೊತೆಗೆ input devices ಯಾವುದು, keyboard ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, mouse ಅಂದ್ರೆ joystick ಅಂದ್ರೆ OMR ಅಂದ್ರೆ OCR ಅಂದ್ರೆ MICR ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. See, today's class we will discuss about in detail output devices. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ nothing but what is meaning of output, what are the different kinds of output devices. Simple. Let me revise once again what is meaning of input before going to start with output device. What is meaning of input? Feeding data into system is called input, right? Feeding data into system is called input. Here there are different kinds of input devices to collect input data. The different input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, OMR, OCR and MICR. Right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ keyboard ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a basic input device, right? It is a basic input device that helps the user to type the data into system. Normally in the keyboard contain not 1 or not 4 keys. Nothing but keyboard contain alphabetic keys, numeric keys, functional keys, symbolic keys and arrow keys. Then we discussed about different types of keyboards. But are there different types of keyboards? Standard keyboard will be there, ergonomic keyboard will be there, virtual keyboard will be there, compact keyboard will be there, wireless keyboard will be there, right? Standard, ergonomic, virtual, compact and wireless keyboard. Next we discuss mouse. What is the full form of mouse? Mechanically operated user signal engine. We discussed here what is use of mouse. Then we discuss joystick. Joystick used to control the games. OMR. OMR nothing but optical mark reader, right? OCR. OCR nothing but what? Optical character recognition. MICR. What is the meaning of MICR now? What is the meaning of MICR? MICR means what? Magnetic ink character recognition. There are different kinds of input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, OMR, OCR and MICR. Right? So once we get in, what are the different kinds of input devices? Let me discuss now. What are the different output devices? Different output devices. Very simple. Here, first we will discuss about what is meaning of output, right? What is meaning of output? The processed data is called output. The processed data is called what? Output. Here, we collect the data from the keyboard, we will take it to memory, and we can process by CPU. That processed data is called here what? Output. Alva. For example, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಲೆಸನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಗೆ 20 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ 20 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋ ರೈಟ್? ಏನು 20 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ. Clear? What is the meaning of output? The processed data is called output. What is the meaning of output? The processed data is called output. Output can be generated in two forms. One is soft copy, another one is hard copy. Output can be generated in two forms. One is soft copy, another one is hard copy. Soft copy nothing but the data which present in a system is called soft copy. The data which present in system is called soft copy. What is hard copy? The data which present in printout. The data which present in printout is called hard copy. Clear? What is soft copy? The data which present in system is called soft copy. Hard copy. The data which present in printout is called hard copy. Clear? ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ with the help of the different output devices. Example for output devices is monitor, second speaker, third printer. Example for output devices is monitor, speaker and printer. See, the first one is monitor. Very simple. Monitor. What is monitor, sir? It is a basic output device. It is a basic output device used to display output. It is a basic output device used to display output data. So that's why it is also called a display screen or VDU. Monitor is also called what, ma'am? Display screen or VDU. First of all, what is monitor? It is a basic output device that used to display output data. Used to display what, ma'am? Output data. So it is also called what? Display screen or VDU. Display screen or VDU. VDU means what? Visual graphics unit. Clear or fine? VDU. Visual graphic unit. Have I heard the answer? One more question. What is monitor? Monitor is a output device that used to display output data. Used to display output data. That's why monitor is also called. Monitor display screen or visual display unit. So once we get here, what is use of monitor? See, monitor size can be measured in inches. Monitor size how is measured by inches. How 14 inch irಬಹುದು, 17 inch irಬಹುದು, 19 inch irಬಹುದು, 21 inch etc. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ 15 inches ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 16 inches ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 21 inches ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಚಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 14 inch, 17 inch, 19 inch and 21 inches. And the monitor capacity graphics will be designed by with the help of the pixels. With the help of the pixels. The clarity ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ monitor video clarity or image clarity depend upon the pixels. Right? First point is what is monitor. Second point is how to measure monitor. Size ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ measure ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 14 inch, 17 inches. And the next one is graphics ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ depending upon the pixels. Next, different kinds of monitors. Different types of monitors. Types of monitors. Here, first one, CRT, cathode ray tube. Get it now? CRT monitors, cathode ray tube, LCD, LED are the different types of monitors. Are the different types of what? Monitors. CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD, liquid crystal display, LED, light emitting diode. LED nothing but what? Light emitting diode. Clear? So these are the different kinds of the monitor. Here, what is meaning of monitor? Monitor is output device used to display output data. And here, monitor is also called a what? Display screen or visual display unit. ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. And the size ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 14 inch, 17 inch, 19 inch etc. And the clarity of monitor depending upon the pixels. And there are different kinds of monitors. One is CRT, LCD, LED. CRT nothing but cathode ray tube, LCD nothing but liquid crystal display, LED nothing but light emitting diode. LED nothing but what? Light emitting diode. Okay na? Light emitting diode. So these are the different features of the monitor. And the second example for output device is speaker. Only definition stated. Speaker. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಪ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡರ್ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಟಿವಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ವಾಕ್ಮನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್? ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Here actually speaker used to produce a output in the form of voice. The speaker used to produce output in the form of voice. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡೇಟಾ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸರ್? ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಇಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್. It will collect data in the form of analog or digital. It will either analog or digital data converted into audio frequency and produce voice. You may get the doubt. Then you don't know, sir, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಅನಲಾಗ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಸಿಂಥಸೈಸರ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಸಿಂಥಸೈಸರ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅನಲಾಗ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್. We get one more question. What is a speaker? Very simple. Speaker is output device that will take data in the form of, actually data in the form of analog or digital. The data format ಇರುತ್ತದೆ analog ಇಲ್ಲ digital. Analog ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Waves, signals ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Digital ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Digits. ಅದಾಗಿದೆ. Initial data in the form of analog or digital that will be converted into audio frequency, then can be produced as a voice. How this mechanism will happen? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ mechanism ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ happen ಅಂದ್ರೆ with the help of the speak synthesizer. The software is called here speak synthesizer. Clear or fine? So once beginning, what is the use of speaker? And the next one, see, third one, printer. Third one is what? Printer. Very simple. So once beginning, what is the use of monitor? What is the use of speaker? Next, what is a printer? ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಶಾಪ್ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮಾಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಔಟ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಔಟ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಔಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟರ್. ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಂಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್. Printer is also output device used to print the data in the form of printouts. Clear? Printer is an output device used to print the data in the form of printouts. Here there are two types of printers. There are two types of printers. Third one is a printer. First we listen to definition of printer. Yes, a printer ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is an output device. It is an output device used to print the data. Used to print the data in the form of printouts. In the form of printouts. Here there are two types of printers. There are two types of printers. One is impact printer. Second one, non-impact printer. Impact printer and non-impact printer. Printer nothing but is output device that used to print the data in the form of printouts. There are two types of printouts. One is impact printer. Second one is non-impact printer. Here first one is impact. What is impact printer? It is a type of printer used to print the data. Used to print the data by physically connecting. By physically connecting what part? Paper with ink ripper. Nothing but there will be striking mechanism in impact printer. There will be striking mechanism in impact printer. Clear or not? What is impact printer? It is a type of printer. It prints the data by connecting physically paper with ink ripper. Okay na? In impact printer, it is a type of printer which prints the data by physically connecting. By physically connecting what? Paper with ink ripper. I think what? It is striking mechanism ಅಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಡಿರಲ್ವಾ? ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಟಪ 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 ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಕ್ ರಿಬ್ಬನ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಂಕ್ ರಿಬ್ಬನ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿನ್ಸ್. ಆ ಪಿನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ? ಪೇಪರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪರಿಂಟರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? It is a type of printer which print the data without physical connection between paper and ink ribbon. That is the definition of impact and non-impact printer. Once beginning, what is impact and non-impact printer? Next one, what are the characteristics or features of impact printer? Characteristics or features of impact printer. First characteristic about there is a physical connection between paper and ink ribbon. In impact, what is first character one? Here there is a physical connection between paper and ink ribbon. Non-impact, no physical connection between paper and ink ribbon. Next one, here due to striking mechanism produce more noise. ये noise ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಬ್ದ. Okay na? Due to striking mechanism they produce more noise. Here produce less noise. Okay na? Second point number, they produce more noise. Here they produce less noise. Here impact printers does not support transparent. Here non-impact supports transparent. Okay na? Impact printers does not support transparency and non-impact printer supports transparency. Supports what one? Transparency. Next, impact printer, it can be measured number of characters per second. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೇಟಾ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ it can be measured. Impact printer ಅಲ್ಲಿ it can be measured number of characters per second, but non-impact number of pages per minute. Okay na? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Number of pages per minute. ಇಲ್ಲಿ number of characters per second, but non-impact measure number of pages per minute. That are some of the characteristics of the impact and non-impact printer. Once beginning, what is meaning of printer and what is meaning of impact, what is the meaning of non-impact, and differentiate impact and non-impact. So what are the different types of impact printer? Different types of impact printer. There are two types here. One is line printer, another one is dot matrix. Line printer and dot matrix. Mention two types of impact printer. One more question. What are the types of impact printer? Impact printer divided two types. One is line printer. Second one is dot matrix. Next, what are the types of non-impact printer? One is thermal printer. Second, laser printer. Third one is inkjet printer. What one? Inkjet printer. Non-impact printer have three types. One is thermal printer, laser printer, and inkjet printer. So these are the different explanation about the printer. So my students observe carefully. So we discuss here what is meaning of output. And the output ಅಂದ್ರೆ what are different kinds of output devices? There are three types of output devices. One is monitor, next speaker, next printer. Monitor ಅಂದ್ರೆ types of monitor ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Speaker usage ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Printer ಅಂದ್ರೆ types. There are two types, impact ಮತ್ತು non-impact. Impact ಅಂದ್ರೆ non-impact ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ characteristics. Impact types, non-impact types, right? So that's all about the different output devices. Next concept here is memory devices. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is memory, types of memories are, examples of the memories we'll see in the next class. Thank you.